Which animal makes this sound? Come and have fun with my friends on the farm.